Okay, this is going to be our lay line about. Okay? $4.30. Going back also, guys.
Yeah. That's right.
3 minutes.
Adam, let him through.
2.5. I want to jibe, guys. We're going to jibe.
Okay, great.
We're too close. I'll do another. Come about again. Yeah, somebody. Caleb needs help on this side. You come back. Help Caleb. Peter, watch the skirt. Okay, we're gonna come back. We're gonna come around again. Ready to come about. Hard to lead. Great. $139. Ease the sails. I'm going to come around. We're going to jibe. We're going to slowly come around and jibe. 120. Here I come, guys. 120. 115. I'm too early. 107. That's 1 minute. Call starboard. Call starboard on him. Guys, I want some speed. I want more speed, guys. Call starboard on this guy. And call leeward if any of these guys get in your way. Come on, bring the sails in. Bring the sails in. Bring the sails in, both of them. We're early. We're really early. We're early. No room at the mark. No room. No room. Leeward. Leeward. Okay, harden up. Harden up, guys. Get that sail in. Outhaul is too loose. Outhaul is too loose. And the jib halyard is too loose. Both of those have to go out. Sails are way loose. That's come on, you gotta get that jib halyard up. Ready for me to luff up? How's that? Can you bring it up now? Okay, beautiful, beautiful. That's good, that's good. Okay, guys, get some weight out on the starboard side. You got a line in the water on the port side. Red line. what happened? Was it in there?
This is what, 0.5?
No, get this up to 0.75. Skirt! Skirt! Come on, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in. The other sheet is caught. Release the other sheet. Okay, there you go. Keep going. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Bring it in. Lost what we had on the sheet. Want to put it on Hold the leech line. We're not pointing as well as we usually do. What's wrong? The sail's not pointing. Is it because one thing the bar is too far back? The halyard is a little too tight. No, no, it's not too tight. But this thing is way too far back. So when you get a chance, you're going to grab that line and put it on here and open up that tension. And put that on here. But you have to open it. You have to open that. Caleb, where's the mark? That's okay. So what? What's that? No, is that it? I don't know. Okay, get ready with the spinnaker. Barry's helping with the spinnaker. The spinnaker should get set up now. Just probably be a little late with it. We're gonna have to do quick tack, okay? I'm gonna go all the way down over the tack and then tack again. practice. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Skirt, skirt. Get ready to come about again. Ready to come about? Tell me when you're ready. We're going to come about as soon as you're ready. Ready? Okay. Start swing. Break. Okay, what do you want to do? You want to do a jibe? Which side do you want to set it up on? I'm ready for a jibe set because we want to go...
We're set up to go up on
the left.
Okay, we're going to have to jibe it. Pull it up whenever you're ready.
Pull it up.
What, John?
Sorry about that for now. Take this, take this, take this. You got to be ready. Wrap this on there. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. We'll have plenty of time for that. Take this. No, I'm pointing to that one. And this. Yep, goes up there.
Is it going up?
Who's taking the sheet? Who's got the spinnaker halyard? Who's taking up the spin halyard? Come on, get that topping lift up, guys.
Got a whole bunch of slack right around my... Topping lift. Topping lift. Topping lift.
He's getting it. He's getting it. Release the jib sheets. Release the jib sheets. Release the jib sheets.
Somebody got
Green back. Green trim.
green trim. I got it here.
Hold it. Okay, you got a knot, guys. Either you're getting the knot out. What's the story with that knot? Do we have to
Coming right out.
pull the green sheet? The green one. What? You don't even have it wrapped on anything, guys. I told you to put it up there. Free that. Free whatever's on there. Take it off. Put that green sheet up. Put the guy up. The guy's got to go there. Come on. Get the guy up. Pull the guy in. That's the guy. Bring the guy back. All the way back. You need a downhaul. There's no twing on there. Get a twing on. Get a twing on. Either that or a downhaul.
Swing on this?
Yeah, on the right side. Okay, we're good, guys. We're flying. We're flying. Excellent job. I didn't think it was going to go up today. I thought, like, there's no way we're going to fly it today. Okay. We are going to have to jibe. I know that sucks. Okay, you're too high on the mast. I want a little bit more. Ease the guy. Ease the guy a little bit. Okay, and the sheet. No, Mark, you have the sheet. Okay. Maybe I was wrong about that. Maybe you needed to go up higher on the mast, because you're not all the way up there.
It isn't all the way up. But why can't we just like?
Next time, let's get it all the way. Let's.
There we go. A little bit
Can't
more
we
down
crank
the
it
way.
up now?
Yeah, you could.
The spinnaker?
Yeah, you could.
Is this it? And what's this yellow line? It's all caught up in it.
The thing is, we're gonna have to jibe. Does anybody remember how to jibe?
Sort of.
Why can't we just?
Okay, that means, you see, when you see that curl, that means you have to tighten it a little bit more. Now, Mark, what you want to do is constantly be easing. Okay, you ease, and then you bring it in until you take the curl out. Okay?
I don't want to bring it too high.
So you want it to be at the very edge where that curl is.
Yeah, but we've also had trouble with them fouling with the jib. Where it goes over. Yeah.
And I'll train.
Okay.
So you tail and watch.
Just bring it in. Okay, fine. Bring it in. Okay. Bring it in. Okay. Oh, so that one. Oh.
Okay, don't bring it up anymore.
Should be off. Bring it in. Right? Which twin? One of the twins should be free.
Yes, the left one should be free.
Bring it in. Okay.
Or no, you know something? Keep both twings down. Keep both twings down a little bit. What happened to your green twing? The right twing, you lost it. You lost the guy, you lost the twing.
What's that?
Starboard side, you lost the sail. You got to go back a little bit. Go back more. Come on. Guy. Hold back. Hold back. Hold back. Okay, that's good. Hold back a little more. Hold back more. Okay, there you go. Sorry, I'm looking at too much stuff. I should be giving you more directions. Pull back. Why? How'd the pole go forward? Pull back. I know how it went forward because it wasn't up all the way. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. You know what it is? The pole's got to go higher on the mast. I was wrong before.
That's what I said in the beginning.
Yeah.
When he sets the pole and he set it all the way up,
Right.
drop it a little bit.
Okay, that's you, Mark. Whenever you see that curl, that's you.
There, and he has an ASIM.
Yeah, he's a lot faster than us downwind. Pole can still go higher up.
So is he technically on the other tack from us?
Notice that both his sails are on the same side of the boat, which is totally different than us because it's ASIM. He's always on a reach. Okay, guys, pole's got to go back and pole's got to go up on the mast. Because if the pole goes up on the mast, then he can actually get, okay, now go back. Topping lift up, that's exactly right. Okay, there you go. Now that's good. A little bit too far. You want it like a few inches below the clew of the sail.
Topping lift is the one that's sort of like not really tight in the cleat.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. Okay, guys. What about a jibe? Does anybody remember how to do that? I go dead downwind, right? Number one, I go dead downwind. The sail gets held in front of the boat. The pole goes forward. Okay? You release the topping lift, right? You release the topping lift.
So when are we going to do this?
Soon. As soon as you're ready.
You want to even the twins out, right?
Yeah.
Twins at a midway point.
Right, definitely. Both twins have to be down because you have to be able to grab the line on the left side. Okay, so what's going to happen again? I'm going to go dead downwind, which I'm doing now. I'm going to go dead downwind.
Yeah.
We're going to put the sail in front of the boat. The guy and the sheet operator's going to like fly the sail dead down in front of the boat. Adam releases, not now, he's going to release the topping lift back on the pole, back on the guy. The guy's all the way forward. The guy's got to go back.
So can we lower the topping lift?
Wait, we're not doing it yet.
We're not doing it yet?
No, no, no.
Walking us through the people.
I'm just trying to tell you how to do it. Sorry, I went off course. Okay. The pole can't go too far down, okay? Because in order to duck it underneath the jib, I can't do two things at once. In order to duck it underneath the jib, okay, I think you want to do it now. Okay, we'll do it now. Wait. Let's go a little bit longer. Yeah, you think it's better on the left side?
Slowing down.
Guys, I'm dead downwind now. Do you want to do it now? Okay. Okay, so balance. I'm going dead down, and we're going to balance the sail between left and right. I am just looking up top. I'm keeping it dead down, and the wind's all over the place. I'm sorry. You got to release the topping lift, and then release the pole. And Caleb, you have to pull the red line down so he can hook it onto the red line. Yeah, sorry, the wind is very finicky. The wind's not helping me. Watch your heads, I'm dead down. That's where we want to go anyway.
Okay.
We're going to watch the video a few times. You got it on yet? Tell me if I can put air in. You good? Topping lift up. Pull back on that guy. Now you're the guy, Mark. Pull it back. Back on the guy. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Got too much lift.
Okay, beautiful, man. We did it. We jived. Watch. Okay, now you're watching the call, John. You got to pull in because of the curl. Tighter on the sheet, on the green line. Tighter on the green line. Help him.
Get to the rescue.
Okay, there you go.
Hold back.
No, we're gonna I'm gonna go a little bit to the left. We might go pull forward a little bit. I'm gonna go on course.
Don't we need to go more?
Yeah, I'm gonna head directly towards it, and you just pull.
We're gonna need the pole to go forward, and we're gonna do more of a
Okay, this is our course right here. So where's the pole have to be? Pole, make the pole perpendicular to the fly. Okay. Look at the fly. Look at the pole. Make it perpendicular. And then John, you ease and trim until you get it just on the edge of that curl. Okay.
I'm looking at the pole toward back, right? Towards the bow. The only way you can know is actually get underneath.
That's beautiful. That was really good timing for when to jibe too.
Peter,
sorry, I was doing too much. I was going off course.
Straight up underneath the pole.
Oh, okay, I'm having a hard time raising it anymore on the mast.
You're good. You're good. Don't worry about it.
Pretty good. What's that?
You want to be perpendicular right to the
Yeah, but it's close enough.
Perpendicular with the
Now, John and Mark, if we were really doing this next week, John should be standing up there so he can watch the curl, and somebody should trim for him. And Mark, you would have been standing over there, okay?
Yeah.
So you got to go, Adam, let him put that line.
An extra pair.
No, not that side. You want to be this side so that you can see the curl.
How about the glasses? I didn't know that was a
Holy fuck. I just lost my chart.
It's down, it's in there. You mean, here.
Yeah.
Well, they don't have a compass.
Watch the sail, guys. Got my chart back. I'll have the course in a second. Okay, are you still perpendicular? And John, you're watching the curl on the left side. You see that left curl? Okay, now you're getting to a position where now you can see it, right? Okay, that's the proper place to be standing.
I want to pull back there.
Yeah, you want to probably go back with the pole a little bit. And that means if he's moving pole back, then you have to tell John to ease, Mark.
I'm pulling pole back.
What?
At 1 o'clock, looks like a mark.
Yeah, it's B. That's B. We're going to A. Okay, do you remember how to take it down? Peter, Caleb, tell me how you're going to take it down.
Caleb, dude, we're going to douse.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Do you remember how? Not yet, but do you remember how?
Ways to go for that.
Start thinking about it.
No, let's just do it now.
No. And
We have the jib out before the douse?
Sorry.
Caleb, if you're doing nothing, can you set up the, we're going to need the right car in the right place. Either that or drive. If you want to drive, I'll set it up. Somebody want to drive? Yeah, sure. Well, you're doing that. We're going to get screwed. Messed up. Can you release that latch there? Yeah.
Hey, John, pull forward. You want me to pull forward?
And then get the track and pull it back.
Hold going forward.
That track on the right side. No, to the right of that one. Yeah, right. Yeah, bring that car back until you see this black mark? No, don't pull that. You see this black mark? You want to pull that car back until that black mark. That black mark, I'm going way off course. I can't tell you what to do until the black mark is over there. Okay, sorry guys, I'm trying to tell somebody what to do here. Okay, this is what you do. Just pull the line out through the front until the mark is lined up on the back, and then close the hatch, and it will find its position later. Okay? Beautiful. Give it another inch. Move it an inch back. Sorry, I'm all over the place. Yeah, that's perfect.
Thing that goes on track? Yeah. Good.
Really steady wind.
Beautiful wind. It looks like the wind's dying because look at the problem that Hisu's having.
I told you we're on a better path.
Being out there, you mean?
Out there, instead,
No, I thought we jibed at the right point. I liked it.
we did. We also stayed on that.
Well, we were fighting a lot of current out there, though. Going inside, he had less current. Okay, we're close to being in front now. We might be in second because of the boat behind us has so much perf on us. But if we want to keep it, we want a good douse and we want to get that jib out. We're going to be pulling the jib out on the right side, Mark. So when you get ready, right? Like when you release, leave that one alone.
Maybe you want the car further back.
Don't worry about it. It'll move itself.
That's when I walked in.
It should be visible. Anybody see the mark?
I don't see it. Is it pretty much dead ahead?
Yes, it should be dead ahead.
Don't point. Try not to point.
You learned that from John.
I did. You see it, John? Oh, yeah, I see it. But it's almost on her nose. Me, I think it's straight ahead. It's off like Peter's head.
Yeah, I want to put it at 11:30 because
You have it at 11:30.
I want to be able to reach to it.
It would appear you have a better line to it than Eric. Yeah, you have it at 11:30. It's right above tail.
I think we caught up to Eric a little bit, right?
I don't think you have a better line.
So
Now we're falling off.
my bad. Adam, did you put some tension on the boom bang? Because if you did, you would have been right. Good. No, that's good. No, yeah, the whole time going downwind, you want the boom bang pulled down.
You pull back. You don't pull the
Okay, the wind is coming around behind us a little bit.
What? Yeah, pull back, right? Okay, bring the pull back. Boom.
Yeah, wind is behind us. You want the pole back.
Are we in the pole?
So that's the boat that we're in competition with. But we were going to like blow up the competition for the video.
We had to get to
Where's the mark?
So the mark should be at 11:30.
A little more on the pole.
Oh, I see it. Okay. You did start that, right? You know, I don't know what it's set to.
Okay.
In terms of like 4K or 2K.
Is what it is.
It is what it is. Okay, when do you want to drop it? How close you want to get? How lucky do you feel?
All right, so here's the deal. We want to pull out the jib, the blanket, the spinnaker first.
On the right side.
Over here.
Right.
Okay, so we'll be
And then you're going to ease the pole.
Pole gets eased forward.
And you want the green line, you're going to pull it in from the green line in the foot.
Right.
Okay? Okay, so I'll pull the jib out. I can pull the jib out, guys, since we're short one hand. Now you got to remember, take the crank off the green line.
Yep.
This is going to be loose when you pull it out. Take the crank off, and you got to remember that you're going to want to, when they're pulling it in, you want to like let both of those lines run free and unwind them. Okay. Peter, you want to call it? You want to call the wing?
Not have to worry about the jig.
What about now? You think now's a good time? Yeah, roll out the jib, guys. Roll out the jib, get that ready. You can walk it back, Caleb. Okay, ease it, let it be loose. Okay? Now, Mark, ease the red line, ease the red line, ease the red line.
Lower the top inlet.
What are you talking about, starboard? Oh. Guys, we got to jibe. I don't know where he's going.
It's loose. All right, it's jammed on something, man.
See if it's on the cleat on the mast. Check the mast. Check the cleat on the mast. Check the cleat on the mast. Okay. Bring those sails in. Bring the main in. Bring the main in. Well, hold on.
See the mark back?
Room at the mark. Room at the mark. They're not down. Are we down?
No.
Okay. Come on, get that down. Okay, harden the sails. Harden the sails. Get the jib in. Get the jib in. Pull the main up. Put it in more. Pull it in more. Pull it in until it almost touches. Look up and look down. Look up, look down. Are you touching? brake, brake! Come on, guys. You're not pushing the button. You gotta push the button. Oh, you did good. I need this
Three speeds. Highest speed.
want to figure it out. You know something? We should not bother. Look at this. We don't point nearly as well with the circle around. Look at it a little more. Who wants to be on the boat when the sailmaker gives us the lesson?